INUMSA iyakulwa ukugxothwa kwayo kwiCOSATU. Kodwa eyona nto ke ezinkokheli zifuna ukuyazi kukuba indoda abayixhase ngexesha likaxakeka ingaba ikwicala lazo kusini na.
Zwelinzima Vavi will have to think about his future in COSATU, whether he is prepared to champion right-wing policies away from the mandate of the 11th Congress. Zwelinzima Vavi will have to decide whether he's going to go along with those who believe COSATU must remain now a conveyor belt. I think it must be very untenable for him. I think that his conscience must be like a ticking time bomb.
Emva kokukhabana kwemiyalezo kwiiveki ezidlulileyo, INUMSA ide yaphuma egusheni ngecebo layo lokuseka umbutho wezopolitiko.
Yes, NUMSA leadership will crisscross the country. We are not a manga union. We are accountable to our members. We are very clear that we will be calling provincial shop steward councils. We will mobilize for those shop steward councils. COSATU has been everything to workers in this country in the shop floor, to communities, to the unemployed. The challenge we will have in those meetings, who will be feeding people lunch, but they are going to be open to everybody who has ever benefited to the Federation.
Oko ke kuyaqala ngokusungulwa kwe-United Front Movement ngoDisemba. Ukanti kuyakubakho uxhulumenwano nabasebenzi ngeembono zokuseka umbutho wabasebenzi omtsha.
We have not been dismissed by COSATU, as we know it. We are dismissed by 33 gang members who claim to be workers' leaders in that federation. Workers must make their own determination whether this COSATU is it still relevant.
Eza kutshanje zithi ukuba uVavi uthatha isigqibo sokumka kwiCOSATU angayinkokheli kwilinge lokuseka lo mbutho wabasebenzi mtsha. Ndingumalungelo Boyi eGauteng.